Right, so I've been feeling like I haven't been very creative this year. So one of the things I said to myself is that I'm going to post a photo to Instagram every week. And then I thought, well, obviously I need to put that on my own WordPress site, because what good is it putting photos on Instagram if you can't use them to decorate your own site? And so I came across this cool plugin called Integrate. It was so cool that I paid for the premium one. And it basically lets you connect up your WordPress account to your Instagram account, and then to sync all of your photos over from Instagram so they get saved as posts within WordPress. So here I am in my WordPress CMS, and this content I posted directly to Instagram, but Integrate has pulled it all back over. It's inserted it as an image. It's pulled the title over, and you get a whole bunch of controls in the settings to let you control it, but also to template it up. So you can bring tags over, you can manipulate stuff on the way. But it's just a really nice way of so this is all I've done. So I've challenged myself to do this weekly photo thing. So now I just have a page on my site which is weekly photos, and you know, these are all my 20 photos so far. So hopefully by the end of the year I have like a nice grid of 52 photos, and I'll feel better about being a little bit more creative. So one other thing that I think is worth kind of highlighting is just how cool Gutenberg is, and how easy it is to do stuff with it. So I literally haven't written any code on this site. It's just a StudioPress theme. And I installed a couple of block plugins. So one of them is this one, Ultimate add-ons for Gutenberg. There is somewhere like a list of different blocks that you can turn on or off, but one of them is this post grid. So you can choose which post type you want to bring through. You can control, you know, which taxonomy you want to use, the number of items to show, how to work it, and you can pretty much just create any layout you want of custom post type. And so I just thought that was super cool, because like last time I tried to bring Instagram onto a WordPress site, it was like, you know, it would bring them via the API, but they were still hosted on Instagram, and so you didn't get that granular control of being able to say, actually in this blog post showcase my latest photo as well. So this is just a really nice way of like backing up all of your Instagram stuff. So I now have like a copy of everything I've posted to Instagram, but also being able to curate it into my own personal site.